Meaning of inconvenience.
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 Inconvenience. The term inconvenience refers to a situation where something causes difficulty or trouble, typically making life more challenging or uncomfortable for the person affected. It can arise in various forms, such as when there is a delay, disruption, or obstruction to one's plans or routine. Inconveniences can range from minor irritations to major disruptions, depending on the context and severity of the situation. Overall, dealing with inconveniences requires patience, adaptability, and a willingness to adjust expectations and plans in order to cope effectively with the challenges presented.